Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saber Ahmed, and today we have something truly exciting in Photoshop for you. Whether you're a long-time subscriber or a new visitor, I promise you won't want to miss what we've got lined up. But before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest content from our channel. So, without further ado, brushes of creation, a poetic odyssey in Photoshop. In the realm of digital artistry, where pixels dance with imagination's light, lies a tool of boundless wonder, a brush that paints the canvas of the night. With Photoshop as our vessel, we embark on a journey so grand to explore the depths of creativity, guided by the brush in hand. Chapter I: The Brush's Song. Oh, Photoshop's brush tool, a magical wand it seems, a gateway to a world of dreams, where art becomes our dreams. With strokes so fine and colors bold, we shape what lies within. Each bristle whispers secrets, a silent artist's hymn. Chapter E: Embracing the Canvas. To learn this tool, we must begin with a humble canvas bare, a blank slate, a universe awaiting, where our visions we declare. Start with gentle strokes, like whispers in the breeze, for in the canvas's quieted, the artist finds their ease. Chapter E: Mastering the Basics. Begin with the fundamentals, the brush's heart and soul. Experiment with sizes and hardness. Let your creativity unroll. Familiarize with opacity, a subtle touch grace, as you build up layers of art. With each step, you embrace. Chapter If: Textures and Tones. Textures, like life's complexities, add depth to what we make. Choose from brushes galore, a vast array to partake. From rough to smooth, from grain to blur, each texture tells a tale of landscapes wild, or portraits sweet, like ships setting sail. Chapter V: The Color Symphony. Colors, a symphony of emotions, a palette for the soul. In Photoshop's grand orchestra, let hues and shades console. Blend and mix with the brush. Let gradients softly sing, as you paint the world's kaleidoscope with every color's wing. Chapter V: Light and Shadow Dance. Shadows cast by moonlight, the sun's warm golden embrace. The brush tool is a maestro to create depth and grace. With careful strokes, add light and dark. Let highlights softly gleam, for in the world of artistry, light and shadow are the dream. Chapter V: From Doodle to Masterpiece. From simple doodles on the screen to masterpieces grand, the journey with the brush tool is guided by your hand. Sketch your visions, paint your dreams. With each stroke, you grow, for practice is the sculptor that lets your artistry flow. Chapter V: The World of Brushes. Explore the endless world of brushes, each with its own allure. From digital to custom made, let your creativity endure. Watercolors, oils, and pencils too, the options are so vast. With Photoshop's brush tool, every style is unsurpassed. Chapter X: The Art of Blending. Blending, like a gentle breeze, brings harmony to the art. With smudge and blur, you soften edges, creating scenes so smart. Master the art of blending, like colors in twilight's kiss, and watch your digital canvas turn into a realm of bliss. Chapter X: Patience, Perseverance, and Passion. As you navigate this journey, remember, it's not a race. Patience is your compass, guiding you to a serene place. Persevere through challenges, for in art, they often show that passion is the fuel that makes your creative river flow. Chapter She: From Practice to Mastery. With practice as your ally, and the brush as your guide, you'll venture through horizons, where your talents will reside. From novice to a master, your journeys end unknown, for in the world of Photoshop, pattern overlay, textures of the earth, like earth's rich tapestry, of immeasurable worth. Patterns add texture, a sense of rebirth. In layer styles library, Find textures, mirth, blend if, a masked secret to uncover, in shadows and highlights, like a hidden lover. Blend if commands, to uncover and discover. Layer styles, subtlety, like secrets to hover. Mastering gradients, colorful dreamscapes, like a painter's palette, in vast landscapes. Gradients enchant, with vibrant escapes. In layer styles world, let your vision reshape. Experiment, create, let creativity flow. Layer styles, treasure, let your talents bestow. In the realm of Photoshop, let your artistry grow. With practice and patience, let your skills glow. In this digital realm, where your imagination takes flight, layer styles are your brushes, your palette of light. Practice with purpose, your creativity and sight, and in Photoshop's embrace, you'll find endless delight. The artist's seeds are sown. Chapter GT, the artist's legacy. And when you've painted worlds anew, and your stories told in art, know that every stroke you made was a piece of your own heart. Share your vision with the world. Let your artistry unfurl, for in the strokes of your brush, you've created a timeless pearl. In this poetic journey through the realm of Photoshop's brush tool, may you find inspiration, creativity's endless fuel. With each stroke and every shade, let your artistry take flight as you paint your dreams on the canvas, and your world becomes so bright. Thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to share this incredible experience with you. Remember, life is short. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.